Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Hope everyone is having a great weekend so far. I am. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make tandoori chicken. Yes, tandoori baked chicken. I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious chicken, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. I upload videos 2 to 3 times per week, alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients as well, I will leave in the link in the description box down below, alright? And I also have a second channel, guys, so please go and subscribe to my second channel. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. With my tandoori chicken, guys, I had some raisin rice with my tandoori chicken, but I didn't video the rice. But you guys are lucky because I already have a raisin rice video on my channel. I already have a vegetable rice video on my channel. So what I'll do, I will leave in the description box down below the links for my raisin rice and the link for my vegetable rice. So this chicken could go with either rice. It's gonna be so delicious. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching the video and don't forget to subscribe. So let me just show you my ingredients for my tandoori chicken. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, so here's my ingredients for my tandoori chicken. So in a bowl here I have 4 pieces of leg and thigh. Over here I have my tandoori seasoning, some sugar, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder and black pepper. Over here I have some chili powder, paprika, ginger powder and onion powder. Garlic powder. And over here I have some grated ginger and grated garlic. So I'm gonna season up my chicken now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put in my tandoori season mix and my sugar. I'm gonna put my onion powder, black pepper. So I'm gonna put my paprika, garlic powder and chili powder. And over here I have some grated ginger and garlic. So guys, I'm gonna mix up all this seasoning in my chicken front and back. Make sure all the chicken is well seasoned up. When I finish seasoning it up, I'll show you guys the next step. We'll be back. Also guys, I'm gonna put some mustard hot sauce here. Oops. And also I'm gonna put some coconut oil. And I'm gonna mix this up together. Make sure all the chicken get the mustard hot sauce and the coconut oil. So guys, my tandoori chicken is well seasoned up. So what I'm gonna do now, I have a big Ziploc bag here. So I'm gonna put my chicken into the bag, just like this. Make sure I get all the seasoning out of the bowl as well. Put it into the bag there. And I'm gonna put this chicken into the fridge to marinate overnight, guys. Yes, I'm gonna let this marinate overnight. So it's gonna give it a nice flavor. It's gonna be well marinated in the morning. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge and see you tomorrow. We'll continue with our tandoori chicken. Okay guys, so I took this chicken out of the freezer for about an hour and I let it thaw off. So what I'm gonna do now, I have a pan here. I'm gonna take some butter and I'm gonna rub it all over the pan just like this so the chicken won't stick. And I'm gonna take the chicken out of the bag. My tandoori chicken. Take it out of the bag and I'm gonna put it in my pan just like this. See how it's looking, guys. This chicken is gonna be so delicious. I can't wait to bite into these delicious chicken. My delicious tandoori chicken. So I have 4 pieces of leg and thigh. Then I have a piece of rib and 2 pieces of breast. Alright guys. Okay guys, so and all this juice in the bag here. I'm gonna pour all the juice in the bag. Yeah. And I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake for an hour, but after half an hour I'm gonna take it out and turn it over. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been half an hour, so I just took the chicken out of the oven. So I'm gonna turn it over just like this. I'm gonna turn over all of them here and let it cook on the other side for another half an hour. So this chicken looking good, guys. My tandoori chicken. Ooh. This chicken is going to be so delicious, guys. And I'm eating this with some raisin rice. I'm not making a video for the raisin rice, but I have a raisin rice video ready on my channel. So what I'll do, I will leave the link below for my raisin rice and my vegetable rice. Okay guys, even my Christmas rice, so I'll leave the links below for all my different type of rice. Alright, so I just turn it over. I'm gonna leave this, put this back in the oven to bake for another half an hour. So we'll be back. Okay guys, it has been half an hour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn back the chicken over again, just like this. Oopsie. Yeah, and you're going to and in here I have some tablespoon of tandoori seasoning. I put 2 tablespoons of ketchup and some water. So this is how I make my sauce. So I'm just gonna pour the sauce now on top of the chicken, and I'm gonna put this back in the oven to bake for another 50 minutes. And it's all done, so we'll be back with the end result. Okay guys, so my tandoori chicken is all finished, and today I'll be eating my tandoori chicken with some raisin rice. So I'm gonna take out a piece of my chicken here. Let's see which piece. Okay, take out this piece here. Put it aside. This is my plate here. Oops. So here you go, guys. This is my tandoori chicken and my raisin rice. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe. I might taste it on camera, so we'll see. Okay guys, see you later. You got turned up.